So for today, I've noticed a couple of people asking questions for the reading assignment and how to find Levi's lunch counter. Levi's lunch counter is not what you're looking for. That's just where you're stopping. So I'll go ahead and show you guys and then post this up into Parent Square and here where it says the how-to video. So first I'm going to log into Rapid Identity, which is my Wayne, and I'm going to go to my Pearson. Once I'm at my Pearson, I'm just going to log in like I normally log in. So I'm using a student account right now. And I'm going to go to Classes, and I'm going to click on Homeroom. Now you're going to notice that this is today's assignment. It says Unit 4, Week 4, Lesson 2. Remember, if you have one you didn't finish yesterday, you can do in progress, but if it's completed, you can also go back to that as well. So for this one today, I'm going to click on Unit 4, Lesson 2. And your assignment says you need to complete the word study, word origins, and then delivering justice. I'll show you the word study first. So the word study is really just two parts. So the root words this week are graph, micro, and tele. These are all Greek root words that simply mean different meanings that help you understand new words that you may not have heard before. The word graph means to write. The word micro means small. And the word tele means far. So when I use these words in a certain way, I can help myself understand new words like the word biography. The word biography has the Greek root word bio, which means life. We learned much earlier in the year. But graph means to write. So when I do a biography, I write about a real person's life. The other words that I have down below are microwave, predict, and telephone. For this assignment, what I want you to do is I want you to use what you know about what micro means, and then determine what the definition of a microwave is based off of what you understand. Do the same thing for predict and the same thing for telephone. These are base words that might be able to help you. Now remember the word predict. Dict means to write. So and pre means before. So I wonder what predict might actually mean. At the bottom it says high frequency words. Don't worry about doing that part of this assignment. You'll notice at the top there's a number 2 once you click on this lesson. Well, the number 2 actually has to do with the story and going back to our question about where's Levi's lunch counter. Well, Levi's lunch counter, like I said, is not a place you're looking for. It's a place that you're stopping. So today we just want you to read the story. And as you're reading it, you will stop at Levi's lunch counter. Now I'm going to show you a little tip for helping you see the screen a little bit better. You can click hide this image and it'll go away. You can also play the audio. Delivering justice. And that way, if you need it read to you, you can do so. If you look over here on the side, there's a reading workshop part, and it says first read. You can preview the vocabulary so you know what those words are going to mean. You can hear them said, like segregation, and it tells you the meaning of that word. Take a second to look at the preview vocab before you start reading today, because this will be very helpful in what you're doing. We've got segregation, mistreated, qualified, and demonstrators, and sympathize. Then when it comes time to read, what you're going to do is you're just going to first read it. You're not really doing any responses today as far as that goes. You're just reading it to get a basic understanding. So what you'll do is you'll read the first 2 sections, and then the third and the fourth, and all the way down to the 7th section, and you'll stop where it says Levi's lunch counter. Stop here for today. Then you'll go to your Google Classroom and you'll respond with the 3 facts that you learned, 2 questions that you have, and 1 connection that you can now make. That's your assignment for today.